Choosing the best portable table saw can feel like a daunting task. With so many exceptional models available, each designed to cater to a specific set of needs. Whether you're a professional contractor tackling large-scale projects, a DIY enthusiast improving your home, or a woodworking hobbyist perfecting your craft, the right table saw can make all the difference in your results. To help you find the perfect match, we've rounded up the top 9 best portable table saws, complete with innovative features, reliable performance, and practical designs. Let's dive in and discover which table saw best suits your next woodworking adventure. Number 9. Ryobi RTS23 Table Saw. The Ryobi RTS23 Table Saw is an affordable, lightweight option designed for occasional DIYers and beginners who need a simple yet functional tool for light woodworking projects. With its compact design and straightforward operation, it's ideal for users who prioritize portability and ease of use. Its 10-inch blade delivers adequate cutting power for handling standard materials, such as 1x and 2x boards, making it suitable for smaller home improvement tasks or hobby projects. While it lacks some of the advanced features found in professional-grade saws, the Ryobi RTS23 compensates with its reliable performance and user-friendly setup. Its stable rip fence and accessible controls ensure consistent and accurate cuts, while its portability makes it an excellent choice for users with limited workspace or who need to transport their tools. If you're looking for a no-frills table saw to get started on basic woodworking projects, the Ryobi RTS23 is a practical and budget-conscious option. Number 8. Craftsman 10-inch Table Saw. The Craftsman 10-inch Table Saw offers a perfect blend of durability, functionality, and affordability, making it a reliable choice for light-duty woodworking and home improvement projects. Built with a sturdy roll cage for enhanced durability and motor protection, this saw is well equipped to handle everyday tasks. Its 10-inch blade delivers a clean and consistent cut capable of reaching depths of up to 3 1/8 inches, making it suitable for a variety of applications. While its rip capacity is modest at 12 inches to the right of the blade, it's ideal for smaller projects such as trim work, shelving, and panel cutting. The foldable stand ensures easy storage and portability, making it a great fit for users with limited space. Though it may not feature high-end professional capabilities, the Craftsman 10-inch table saw provides dependable performance and ease of use at a wallet-friendly price, perfect for DIYers looking to tackle basic woodworking tasks. Number 7. Ridgid 10-inch Pro Jobsite Table Saw R4550. The Ridgid R4550 Pro Jobsite Table Saw strikes a great balance between affordability, performance, and portability, making it a popular choice for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. Designed with a durable frame and solid build quality, this saw is ready to take on a range of woodworking tasks, from framing to precision cuts. Its 30-inch rip capacity is generous enough to handle larger materials like plywood, while the 10-inch blade ensures clean and accurate results on a variety of materials. The included wheeled stand offers excellent stability during use and makes transportation a breeze even for a heavier model. Though it lacks some of the refined features found in premium saws, the Ridgid R4550 delivers consistent performance, user-friendly operation, and a reliable design that holds up well on job sites or in-home workshops. Whether you're tackling big projects or routine woodworking, this table saw is an excellent addition to any toolkit. Number 6. Bosch 4100 XC10 Table Saw. The Bosch 4100 XC10 Table Saw is a high-quality tool designed for users who demand precision, durability, and convenience in their woodworking projects. Featuring a smooth and accurate rack and pinion fence system, it offers effortless adjustments for precise cuts, making it a standout option for both professional contractors and advanced DIYers. Its powerful motor, combined with a soft start mechanism, delivers exceptional cutting performance with reduced vibration, ensuring clean results on various materials. The gravity rise wheeled stand enhances portability, allowing the saw to be easily transported and set up, even in challenging environments. Although it is heavier than some other models, the Bosch 4100 XC-10 makes up for it with its robust construction and reliable performance. Whether you're working in a dedicated shop or need a portable solution for job sites, this table saw provides the precision and durability needed to tackle demanding tasks with ease. Number 5. Skilsaw SPT9911 Worm Drive Table Saw. The Skilsaw SPT9911 Worm Drive Table Saw is a powerhouse built for demanding tasks, offering unmatched cutting performance and durability for professionals who require a heavy-duty tool. Powered by a legendary worm drive motor, this saw excels in delivering smooth and consistent torque, making it perfect for cutting through hardwoods, pressure-treated lumber, and other challenging materials. With a 30.5-inch rip capacity and a 3 5/8-inch cutting depth, it's equipped to handle a wide range of applications, from framing to cabinetry. Its rugged design is complemented by a stable rolling stand with oversized wheels, enabling smooth transportation across job sites. While it is heavier and bulkier than some other portable options, the Skilsaw SPT99-11 compensates with its superior performance, precision, and user-friendly features, such as an efficient dust management system. This table saw is an excellent choice for professionals and advanced users looking for reliable power and versatility in their tools. Number 4. Skil 15-amp 10-inch Table Saw TS6307-00. The Skil 15-amp 10-inch Table Saw is a compact yet highly capable tool that offers exceptional value for DIYers and casual woodworkers. Its standout rack and pinion fence system ensures precise and easy adjustments, while a 25.5-inch rip capacity accommodates larger materials like plywood and sheet goods. The integrated foldable legs allow for quick setup and convenient storage, making it a practical choice for users with limited space. Additional features such as onboard accessory storage and a dust chute enhance its functionality and keep your workspace organized. Though it may not match the pro-grade durability of higher-end models, the Skil TS6307-00 provides dependable performance and user-friendly operation for a variety of everyday woodworking needs. Perfect for home improvement projects, this table saw combines reliability, ease of use, and affordability, making it a great addition to any hobbyist's workshop. Number 3. Metabo HPT 10-inch Table Saw. The Metabo HPT 10-inch Table Saw delivers an impressive combination of portability, power, and precision, making it a favorite among professionals and serious hobbyists alike. With a massive 35-inch rip capacity, it handles wide boards and sheet materials effortlessly, catering to users tackling large-scale or intricate projects. The fold and roll stand provides excellent mobility, ensuring the saw is easy to transport and set up on various job sites, and the 10-inch blade delivers smooth and accurate cuts, while the onboard accessory storage keeps tools and attachments within reach for added convenience. Though it may not offer the raw power of heavier models, the Metabo HPT excels in its balance of performance, price, and portability, making it a reliable and versatile choice for diverse woodworking tasks. Number 2. DeWalt 10-inch Table Saw DWE7491. The DeWalt DWE7491 is widely regarded as a benchmark in portable table saws, delivering exceptional versatility, power, and precision. With a class-leading rip capacity of 32.5 inches, it's ideal for handling large materials like plywood or wide boards with ease. The rack and pinion fence system offers smooth and accurate adjustments, while the sturdy rolling stand ensures stability during operation and effortless portability. Designed for professional contractors and serious DIYers, this table saw features a robust motor that powers through challenging materials, ensuring consistent and clean cuts every time. Its durable construction and thoughtful design make it a trusted tool for both job sites and home workshops, cementing its reputation as one of the best portable table saws in the market. Number 1. SawStop Jobsite Saw Pro. The SawStop Jobsite Saw Pro stands in a league of its own, combining unparalleled safety with top-notch performance and convenience. Equipped with SawStop's revolutionary flesh detection technology, the blade halts instantly upon skin contact, providing unmatched peace of mind for users. Beyond safety, this table saw offers precision and durability with a self-aligning fence system, large tabletop, and smooth adjustments for detailed and accurate cuts. The portable design includes a sturdy stand and wheels, making it easy to transport without compromising stability. With excellent dust collection, onboard accessory storage, and a robust build, the SawStop Jobsite Saw Pro is a premium choice for both professionals and safety-conscious hobbyists. Though it comes with a higher price tag, its exceptional performance and safety features make it an invaluable investment for anyone serious about woodworking. And there you have it, our top picks for the best portable table saws. Whether you're tackling large-scale construction, perfecting a woodworking project, or taking on a weekend DIY task, these saws offer the precision, versatility, and reliability to elevate your craftsmanship. Remember, the best portable table saw is the one that fits your unique needs and project goals. Choose your tool wisely and let your creativity and skills shine. Happy woodworking!